first of all, I'd like to congratulate both Airbus and Mahindra for entering into this partnership of manufacturing and maintaining the H130 fuselage in the country, building up on the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat and also Viksit Bharat 2047. And I think this is a testament of the confidence global players like Airbus have on India and the manufacturing sector in the country also. Since its inception in 2011, I think that's when Mahindra started its aerospace manufacturing. They also have a very strong footprint in manufacturing in the country, one of the most robust players in the space right now. So we are very happy to see Mahindra Aerospace also growing a lot, increasing the footprint that they've built upon, because it gives a lot of confidence for the country also on the way forward. And especially our Prime Minister's vision has been that even though the limelight for civil aviation has been taken by airports, building up of airports, the increase of passenger capacity, the increase in the airlines, we wanted to make a conscious effort in increasing the manufacturing footprint in the country, especially in the space of aviation. And the anchor point has been Airbus here. I want to thank Airbus for being that support system. And Remy has himself said the numbers that from 2019, how the procurement has increased from 500 million to almost 1.4 billion in 2024. We have seen that during COVID, there has been slight disruptions in the supply chain mechanism for the aviation industry. And India has seen an opportunity there. We want to take a leap in the aviation manufacturing space. And likewise, we are seeing more and more interest growing, more and more people coming into this space. Almost 200 MSMEs and startups are currently having a very strong foothold in the manufacturing ecosystem. And we want to see this grow also. And Airbus has also in the recent times has announced and set up final assembly lines. One is for H125 aircraft and also C295 military aircraft. Both of this is creating a good boost that India ecosystem can build these high precision engineering systems. And also in the future, we want to see this grow more and more. We want to achieve $4 billion industry by the end of the decade. We want to see procurement go up to that level. And we see that India has the potential. And our whole intention of increasing the ecosystem here, especially in terms of having more manufacturing here, is to cater for the dream of having our own aircraft built in the country itself. This has been a long pending vision for our country, having a regional aircraft built in the Indian soil. But the way to build up is to increase the manufacturing ecosystem step by step. Until you have the total ecosystem, a strong ecosystem around this, the dream of having your own aircraft in the country is going to be a long pending vision. So we see that we are getting closer and closer to that. The number of parts, actually I have to tell you that Airbus, I think each and every aircraft and helicopter that is manufactured anywhere, the final assembly that is done has at least one part that is manufactured in India, that is maintained in India. So that is a great advancement that we have made today. And there is a strong interest globally also to come to India and procure from here. And this collaboration that has been established today marks a more solidarity to that ecosystem that we are catering for. I believe that this is the place that we all have to make a lot of effort so that we can see that aviation grows multifold in the country. There is a huge demand in the country also we are seeing today. Almost 1700 aircrafts that are still under order. So you can see that over the next 10 to 15 years, how the passenger capacity and the airlines and all are going to grow in the coming days. So why not cater for this demand from the country itself? Why not build, maintain, manufacture all the systems, the parts and everything that goes about it? So that is the vision that the Ministry of Civil Aviation carries. And we are very happy to see a lot of progress happening in this area. And like our secretary has told, we have a very good team at the ministry. We are very proactive. We want to listen to the industry continuously. And we want to see wherever there are roadblocks, we are there to handhold them, promote them and take them forward. And this is the vision that the Prime Minister carries, and we are following what his vision is. And he, in fact, in one of the meetings, he has specifically said that India has to become a global aviation hub. For that, we have to concentrate more on manufacturing in the aviation industry. So our efforts are there, and with your collaboration, with the support from the industry also, I'm sure that India is destined to become the global aviation hub in the coming future. And we'll need your support, we'll need a good collaboration. And I'm very happy to see this happening today between Airbus and Mahindra Space. Once again, my congratulations to both of you. This is something which is very close to my heart also, aviation. I have to make a mark as the youngest cabinet minister in the country today. So something different and something progressive that I'm also envisioning to do is to create more manufacturing ecosystem in the country. Right from north to south, we have a great advantage, strategic advantage, geopolitical advantage right now, and we have to take good presence of that opportunity and capitalize on that. So congratulations to both Airbus and Mahindra Group.